Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to transfer your XRP from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet for more control and flexibility. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's easier than you think, and by the end, you'll feel like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with XRP in it and a Phantom Wallet set up on your device. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app from your app store and create a wallet. Security is key here, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Let's get started. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Head over to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Tap on it and look for the option to withdraw or transfer out. Robinhood might prompt you to enable crypto withdrawals. If it's your first time, go ahead and do that. Next, switch to your Phantom Wallet app. Once you're in, go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique wallet address for XRP. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Robinhood, paste that Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review everything one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer should process within minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the official apps and keep an eye on gas fees if you're dealing with blockchains. If anything goes wrong, check your transaction history on both platforms. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your Phantom Wallet, ready for staking or trading. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.